In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make lovely energy balls using oats and dried fruit. I'm Fiona. Welcome to Fiona's Food for Life. These energy balls are so easy to make. The first ingredient we're going to add in is Medjool dates. These you can get from an Asian supermarket for usually around €13 a kilo in Ireland, but you can also get them from your farmer's market where you will pay that little bit more. If, however, you can't find Medjool dates, you could use other dates like, say, the Deglet Noor dates, but just soak them in warm water for about 10 minutes, then drain them and use them. It'll just make it much easier to blend up. We have our organic oats. Then I have 1/3 cup of raisins. We have a cup of sunflower seeds. We have our 2 tablespoons of cacao butter. And then I'm going to add in some orange zest and then 1/2 cup of orange juice. When you're zesting a fruit, you just want to get a little bit of the outer coloured part. So these are the unwaxed oranges here. You grate it along and turn. You don't want to get into the bitter white pith. So usually I'd use about the juice of 1.5 to 2 oranges. So I'm just going to take a little bit of zest off both. I make these energy balls at a lot of the corporate demos that I do in the workplace. They're great for if you have that sugar slump, say at 11 o'clock or 3 o'clock, and you want a nice healthy alternative. You have the chocolate hit from the cacao powder. You have the low GI from the oats. You've got lots of nutrients in your sunflower seeds, and you've got your vitamin C and your orange kick from the orange. So it's really, really nice. We're looking for 1/2 cup of the juice. Perfect. And then I'm just going to blitz the whole lot up. Have a look inside. If it looks a little bit firm, you can add another little bit of orange juice. And if it looks a little bit too wet, you could always add a little bit more oats. In this instance, I'm going to add a little bit more orange juice. Once it's in a nice consistency like this, you're ready to start rolling it into balls. Remove the blade. Today I'm going to roll it in a bit of desiccated coconut. You can roll it in cacao powder, you could roll it in goji berries, bee pollen, a number of different things. What you do then is you get part of the mixture, roll it up into the ball into the palm of your hands and drop it onto the tray. So it's quite a messy job. You can use gloves if you need to, or else at home I would just wash my hands after I've made each batch. These will keep in the fridge for about a week. Because you've got the fresh orange juice in with the oats, they won't last much longer than that. So what I suggest you do is pop them into the fridge for an hour when they're done, just to firm up. And then if you want to take them on the go in a lunchbox or in a container to work or to school, they're fine out of the fridge for the day. But just take them as you need them, a few at a time. Then, with your clean hands, you're going to roll them in the coating. So as I say, I like to use coconut. And then they're ready to go. And there you have about 20 energy balls from that one batch. If you did want to add a little bit of protein powder into this recipe, that also works too. I hope you enjoyed today's video making the energy balls. Please give it a thumbs up and maybe leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe so you get to see lots of my other videos. Why not check out my other videos like skills like kefir ice pops or recipes like chowder. Thanks for watching. See you soon.